Hey guys, what's going on? It's Justin just coming to you with another video. I've got an unboxing video. I got the Leatherman Free Series, the P4 I think it is. So let's open it up and take a look. Here's the box it came in. It just came in the UPS mail. Let's open it. They give you a Leatherman receipt. The free P4. Here is the Leatherman Free P4. Okay. Here's the Leatherman Free P4. They give you some paperwork on how to work it. And here's the unit. It's heavy and nice. I got a picture of my ex-girlfriend on the knife. It's nice, I like it. Oh, it's real nice. Oh, real nice. I like it a lot. It's kind of funny, when you open the Leatherman up, you got no attachments until you close it up. All the attachments are... You got scissors, screwdriver, bottle opener, flathead. Nice. Very precise. Like, the blades don't move around when they lock into place. It's very good construction. I don't know. It was expensive. I spent $200 on this because I got my girlfriend's picture on it. I like it a lot. I wish it had more attachments. So you only open it up to use the pliers. That's it. Nothing else is contained here when you open it up. I like it. And you got the case to go with it. Fits good in the case. There's only really one way to put it in. The sheath was made in China, but the knife was made in the US. I like the knife a lot, guys. Leatherman Free P4. It's the most options I got. Boy, it's such a smooth tool. There's like no friction at all. It's like on a bearing. It's really nice. So, yeah. It's got a file, a small file. Yeah, I like it. Well, that's about it for the unboxing. You saw the knife, and until the next one, I'll catch you later.